Slide 12. What we can learn from the film interview of the second and third generation survivors. According to the research, second generation survivors discussed that their parents who were survivors were very overprotective of their children. Their parents were also were anxious about making sure that they had enough food in the house for everyone to make sure no one would be hungry. Also, survivors were still worried about their safety and safety of the Jewish people. This was founded by Evan in 2002. These anxieties were found in the second generation survivors were also found in the third generation survivors. Slide 13. What can we learn from the film interview continues. Second generation survivors felt they needed to be mature and act as the parent in this situation. Because the survivors were experienced post-trauma stress from the Holocaust. Also, children of the Holocaust survivors felt pursued and responsible to share their parents' stories in order to preserve their parents' story. Slide 14. Other things we can learn from the second and third generation Holocaust survivor interviews. Many second generation survivors had a great appreciation for life and were very hopeful. The second generation survivors passed their positive view on their children according to Harrison. Third generation Holocaust survivors are very optimistic and have the tendency to do things for other people before themselves.